Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now we will continue with these regular puzzle. So 1 puzzle is left. News of the day, well, there's a sabotage on the sea, data cables, yeah. Between Germany and Finland, there's a cable, and probably the Russians has blow it up, yeah. Anyway, let me start with this one, number 9617. Before start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, 10, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. So I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's a 0 stars or a 1 star. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Well, for 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, and here single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple boxes then? Here we have 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left on the 2 should be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that that box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. So this box should be a 4 then. Overlook this single box. Oh, yeah. Here another triple box. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. How about quadro boxes? Do we have here quadro box? Here, quadro box. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. We have here the T shape that you need to recognize. Yeah, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, more T shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. These, wait. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 2. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Same numbers are left in this area. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. Eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 4 and 5, 3 and 4. Okay. Let me think. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be here. These two boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. I've marked those two boxes in with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box can be 1, but also those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Let me think. Come on. Well. This box can be 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For numbers 3 and the 4. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area. For numbers 3 and the 4. We have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for the numbers 2 and the 1. We have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Let me think. I think this box. Wait. These two boxes are left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box 3 and 4 is also connected with that box 3 and 4. But we already have a 4 there, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be so 3. Is also connected with that box should be so 3. 1 box left now in this quarter box for number 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Oh, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Finish in 8 minutes. This one is real quick to solve, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other puzzles. Until then, have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Bye bye for now.